guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much. We're going to do a quick, easy Dollar Tree DIY today. So this is the DIY I promised that I would do for you and you would love. The reason why? We are using the massage. If you remember the original DIY I did with these massage, I mentioned that I had another idea that I wanted to do with them. So today is the day I'm going to do this other DIY idea that I have. You will need to have 16 of these things. And I know that sounds pricey, but I think it's going to turn out really nice. So you will need to have 16 of these. Then you will need your glitter. You can haul that from Walmart, Michael's, or Joann's, or Hobby Lobby as well. They are at Hobby Lobby, they're $2.99. Walmart has them for $2.98. I'm not sure Michael's, what's the price at Michael's, but keep in mind if you purchase them at Walmart, there isn't a discount. If you purchase them at Hobby Lobby, there's a 40% discount. If you purchase them at Michael's, it depends on what coupon they have that day. It could possibly be 50% or 40%. You'll also need a mirror. And I took the tag off, but it came from Hobby Lobby, and I want to say that it was $5.99 and I used a coupon on it. Okay, spray paint. We definitely need to have spray paint because we're going to spray paint these little gadgets here. We possibly may use some of the stones. I've been using them a lot lately, so I just leave them on the table. You will need a pencil for measurement, and you will need a Dollar Tree cardboard. Like I said, you can haul your cardboard from your local grocery store. I like to use the Dollar Tree because it is thin. It's $1 and you get 3 parts to it. It's the trifold. You will need your glue, gun, and glue sticks. So what I did, I went ahead and measured out the size that I wanted. So it's up to you, however wide you want it. You could possibly, instead of using all these, you could probably do it with 5 or with 6. So you don't have to use the 8 like I'm doing. I'm doing 16 all together because I want to have a big decor going on here. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and spray paint. I am going to go outside, spray paint all these and my cardboard, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and painted my circle of my cardboard. Now I want to add my glitter, and I forgot to mention that you will need your Mod Podge because I want to add my gold glitter to this, and I am not going to dilute it. I'm just going to go ahead and use it in its original form. So I just pour some glue on, paint it on, spread it out as much as you can. And then you'll take the glitter from your, wherever you choose to get it from, I don't know. Mine came from Walmart. And just sprinkle it on. I'm going to continue to do this, and then I'll be back to show you what the finished products look like before we start with the next step. Okay guys, so I spray painted, add the glitter to this, and now I am just arranging all the massage so that I have a design. So once I achieve this look, I will be back to glue it together with you. So guys, I add diamond wrap around the edge so that it has a cleaner look. I also add some to the mirror as well. Now I've gotten the massage in a position that I like. So what I want to do now is to add my glue so I can anchor it in place. I'm going to just turn that around and anchor a generous amount of glue and anchor them in place all the way around. I will do that, and before I move to the next step, I will come back and show you what that looks like, because then I'll be able to move it so you can see it much better than I have it right now. Okay? Okay guys, so this is the way it's turning out. I love it. What I decided to do is the Walmart gems, the large Walmart gems, I went ahead and add them to the tip of the massage, and I also add the small ones onto the mirror as well. So what I want to do now is take my other massage. I wanted to do a contrast. I wanted to do the blue and the gold. So now I'm going to make sure the large tip is against the large blue tip. Then I'm going to add my glue onto the back side of the other massage and put a generous amount of glue there, guys. Unless you're using your E6000 for a more sturdy and secure foundation, I would suggest, if you're just using your glue, make sure you're using your Gorilla Glue or a really strong glue. Make sure the small is with the small. Add a generous amount of glue for security. Pull it in place. And I'm not quite sure how it's going to look. This is all in my mind, and I'm thinking it will turn out great. So I am going to go ahead, finish adding the gold on the back side of the blue, and possibly add some more gems, and I'll come back and share with you guys before I move to the next step. So guys, I am getting ready to add some of the large gems to the center of the massager. So just lay your glue down, and these have adhesive on the back, but I still want to have the glue just to have it secured. Now, I must tell you, this is heavy, and I went ahead and you can't see it, it doesn't stand out, you know, it's not right in your face, but I did add some of my other gems which I got from Hobby Lobby, and inside of the gems, these gems, I went ahead and add some of the Walmart smaller. These small ones that I have around the mirror, I went ahead and put them on the inside of the Hobby Lobby gems. So I'm just going to go ahead, go around, finish adding my stones to the center of the massager, and I'll come back, put it on the wall so you can see it and how it turned out. You can let me know what you think. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I must tell you, I truly love the whimsical feel to this wall decor. And don't forget, this is 16 massage little gadgets. I love it. I hope you guys do as well. Give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Let me know what your thoughts are, if this would be something you'd recreate. It is different, but it is a fun piece. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. Leave me a comment and I will see you on my next DIY.